Welcome to Auto Resolve. In this guide, I will show you how to fix Hogwarts Legacy Microsoft Visual C++ error, including this error.
Fix 1. Reinstall Microsoft Visual C++ Redistributable Step 1. Open Apps and Features. Uninstall all Microsoft Visual C++ Redistributable Step 2. Restart your PC Step 3. Download and install Microsoft Visual C++ 2015 to 2022, x64 and x86. Step 4. Restart PC again. Fix 2. Repair Visual C++ installation Step 1. Open Apps and Features Step 2. Select Microsoft Visual C++ 2015 to 2022 Step 3. Click Modify Repair Step 4. Restart PC. Fix 3. Verify game files Step 1. Open Steam/Xbox app Step 2. Go to Hogwarts Legacy Property Step 3. Click Verify integrity of game files Step 4. Wait and relaunch game. Fix 4. Update Windows Step 1. Open Settings, Windows Update Step 2. Click Check for Update Step 3. Install all pending updates Step 4. Restart PC. Fix 5. Reinstall the game. Last option, Step 1. Uninstall Hogwarts Legacy Step 2. Restart PC Step 3. Reinstall the game Step 4. Launch game.